Welcome to another episode of Quick Clean Eats. On today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to make our famous smashed avocado toast. So stay tuned and I'll be showing you that right after. Alright, so smashed avocado is a new dish that's been coming out around here more and more often in restaurants nowadays. I saw this dish myself when I was out in Scotland back in December, so I figured I would do a take on it, see how I can improve it or how I can just switch it up a little bit but still keep it the same. So what I got here is two slices of sourdough bread, about almost 3/4 of an inch thick. So what I'm going to do is just put a little olive oil on it. And I'm going to just take it over to my grill and just quickly grill it on both sides. I'll be right back. All right, now as you can see, the toast is a little grilled. If you don't have a charcoal grill or even like a Lodge grill at home, you can just use your toaster. Just put a little olive oil and just throw it in the toaster. Next, we're going to set that aside. I'm going to use 2 avocados for this one. That's how much I use for a full entree here. You can do half if you would like, but I'll show you how I do it so you can see the entree size. So you got 2 avocados. They have to be nicely ripe. You're going to take out the cores, the stems. Then to make it easier on myself, I'm just going to cut them down in half. I'm going to peel them, put them in my bowl. So what I'm doing is just peeling them, putting them in my bowl, making sure I don't have any of the pits from the top to go in the bowl, because then once you start mashing it up, you won't be able to see the pits. You could also use a spoon to do this, like in the first couple videos I showed you, but I'm going to show you how to do it just with your hands, in case you don't have all the equipment that you need to do this. So once you're peeling this avocado, you can see how this one is really nice and ripe, nice and green. And that's what you're looking for, is something, that's already ready to be used. You don't want it overripe or brown, because then it won't be very edible or very nice on your presentation. So now I'm going to take a little kosher salt. It's about a tablespoon, a little olive oil, and I'm going to mash it. See, it's mashed, it's beautiful. And now they're bringing me a spatula because I forgot that. So here you go, you need a rubber spatula. We're good. So then we're gonna add just a little bit of lime juice. We already squeezed our own. This is the lime juice of 2 limes. You're gonna mix it. You're gonna quickly taste it. What you're looking for is a nice acidity and a little bit of salt. So put a little bit more salt in, because it was just a little under. Now I'm going to take my avocado and put it on my toast. Next, I'm going to take my baby arugula. I'm going to mix it with a little honey lime dressing, a little kosher salt, just like that. I'm going to put that right on top of my toast. I'm going to top it off with 1 strip of nice crispy bacon. You can use any kind of bacon you want. I'm just using Applewood smoked bacon. I'm gonna put that on my plate. Just like this, almost like a little tower. Next, I have a little cherry tomatoes. I'm gonna take a little olive oil, a little kosher salt. I'm gonna toss those. I'm gonna drop those on my plate just to give it a little bit of different color and presentation. At this point, it's time for our little finishing touch. So what I have here is a soft poached egg or a sous vide egg. I'm just gonna crack it, peel it. I'm gonna make a little nest on top for it to sit on top. So there you go. That's the smashed avocado toast. Very simple, very light, very good for the summer, and very healthy. Has a lot of good fats and a lot of vitamins. So please try to make that. Now for a couple tips. Instead of using sourdough bread, you can use any kind of bread. You can use whole wheat, dark rye, even I have salted caramel. You can use any kind of bread. Instead of the bacon, you can use turkey bacon, like I said, or just omit the bacon in general. The soft poached egg, if you can't make a soft poached egg at home, you can just do a over easy or a sunny side up egg. Those are just a couple of tips. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please leave me any comments. Don't forget to hit subscribe. As always, if you can recreate this dish, just tag me on my Instagram at Chef Jesse Q and I'll repost you. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you guys so much and see you guys next week. Bye.